What's up, online shoppers? From items you can use at home to those you'd love to bring to parties, we are here to present to you the coolest gadgets and devices you can easily find on Amazon. The SE3S Smart Riding Electric Suitcase is perfect for travelers on the go. It can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour on a single charge. It is lightweight and may be quickly switched from motor to pull-behind mode. It features 2 USB charging connections for your electronics. The Sobro Smart Side Table is a next-generation nightstand that serves multiple functions to enhance your connected lifestyle. It comes with a wireless charging pad, thermoelectric cooling drawer, and Bluetooth speakers. The drawer keeps a beverage fresh, and the built-in ports allow you to charge phones, laptops, and other mobile devices at the same time. The eBot food-grade portable print pen is a handheld inkjet printer designed for food surfaces. It allows you to simply print logos and graphics smoothly and easily on product labels. The ink used is food-grade, safe, and odorless. This is the new Spira double water gun that will unleash the kid in you. Each pull of the trigger launches a forceful individual blast of water with unparalleled precision. To reload, simply dip the front of the Spira 2 into a water source and it will fully load and repressurize automatically in 10 seconds. The Xiaomi Mijia Pipi desk lamp is just the right companion you need to create a warm, illuminated atmosphere in your room. It is programmed with gesture-sensitive sensors that allow you to control it without touching, automatically providing light where you need it. It is equipped with easy no-driver control and is made of strong material and high-quality lamp beads.